Trading meme coins with Bullx HyperVision feels like cheating, and today I will show you everything step by step, how you can find good meme coins to buy into, what to look out for before you buy, and how to research the coins that have the highest potential to make multiple X's. And if you still don't have access to BullX Neo, you can get it inside of the description. It's the first link, just click it and log into Bullx. So on the left side, just select HyperVision and keep in mind that HyperVision is still in beta, so there could be some features missing. For example, the 5-minute volume isn't showing, but either way, the stuff that is already working with HyperVision makes it the best trading platform for Solana meme coins. And as always, you have 3 columns: new creations, which are brand new launches on Pump.Fun, about to graduate. Those are the meme coins that are actually high enough market cap to get listed on Radium, and graduated, those are the meme coins that already migrated to Radium and are no longer tradable on Pump.Fun. And right now I'll break down all the icons you can see next to the meme coins so you'll know how to actually use them to your advantage. This number shows you the top 10 holders and how much supply they actually hold. For this meme coin it's 29%. Here you can see the dev holding, and also you can see if the dev still holds the tokens or he actually sold some of it or all of it. Next, this rat icon, those are insiders. Insiders are the wallets who never bought the supply. Somebody else bought it and sent it to those wallets. So it's very important that insider number is quite low. And here you get the snipers, and it actually shows you how much percent of the supplies was bought by snipers, but not the actual number of the snipers in this meme coin. And below you can see what are the fees paid by traders, how many people are holding the token. This icon shows you the amount of bot users that are in this token, and bot users are people who use BullX, Photon, Trojan, etc. Here's the volume and here's the market cap. And of course, you also get your social icons and you can click it and just open the link. And under the icon of the meme coin, you can see what's the 5-minute price change and 5-minute volume. For some reason, right now, HyperVision is kind of bugged and it doesn't show you the volume. However, you can still see the 5-minute price change. So you can take a look at it and see if this coin has actually some kind of potential and is increasing in price rapidly. Because with meme coins, you want to have as much volume as possible because it actually allows you to get good trades. If the meme coin was launched 20 hours ago, there's no volume, market cap is still kind of low, there's basically no reason to get into this coin. However, if the coin is fresh, it has a lot of volume, it can be very good to trade. And if you don't apply any filters at all to HyperVision, 90% of the coins you are going to see will be obvious scams. For example, this Jail Baron. People are recreating the same meme coin over and over again. There's only 9 bot traders and market cap is already 84,000, which is very close to migrating to Radium. And just by looking at the preview of the chart, you can clearly see that something isn't right with this meme coin. It just has volume bots all over the place, so you shouldn't be trading it. And the great thing about BullX is that you can hide the tokens that you already researched and you know those are scams. Just hover your mouse over the icon of the meme coin and click hide the token and it will be blacked out. And obviously you can apply some filters to actually remove the scam tokens because, as I mentioned previously, 90% of the meme coins you'll see on this page are just scams. So for about to graduate, I found one filter that most consistently removes the majority of the scams. Just select the filters in about to graduate tab and scroll to bot users and set up minimum as 20. Then click apply, and now most of the meme coins here will be more legit. It doesn't mean that you should buy all of them. You still have to do your own research before you ape into anything. But at least we removed the obvious bundled scams which started trading at 60k market cap just after launch because somebody bundled the supply. And in my personal opinion, if you are looking to trade meme coins, the best section to search for is about to graduate and graduated, because new creations are a complete wild west. Majority of those coins won't even trade above 10k market cap. That's why the only filter I apply to new creations is market cap at minimum 10k, because When you launch a coin on Pump.Fun, it starts at around 6k market cap, and if nobody is buying it, it won't increase above 10k. And obviously the new creations are the most riskiest coins because rugging it is very, very simple. So now I will show you the filters I will apply to graduated tokens. Once again, I would want to use bot users as one of the filters because you actually want to find meme coins that are traded by normal people and not just volume bots. So I'll put this at least 50. Sniper wallets at max 15 because by now most of the sniper wallets, which are the wallets that initially bought the token, should be already out, and market cap at least 25k because if the meme coin graduated on Radium, it's trading at around 100k market cap, and if it fell below 25k, it's very unlikely that it will have another pump. So just set up as is, click apply, and now you can start trading more legit meme coins. So right now with those filters you can pretty much just glance over at a meme coin and immediately create judgment if you want to research it deeply or not. Let's just click on the random meme coin and I will show you another good thing to look at. So first of all, make sure to open the order book on the side panel so you can actually analyze the chart and see the buys at the same time. And here you can see all the buys and sells, and you can just take a look at it and see if there are some volume botting on this coin. As you can see, there is some wallet that are buying and selling for the same amount all the time. So it's a clear indicator that this meme coin is volume botted. And also another thing we can check is just copy the contract address and use Trend Radar Scanner inside of Telegram. This is the pretty much only tool you should also use with BullX Neo with all of its features. As of now, it doesn't have bundle checker. So you just paste in the contract address, and here you can see that currently 8% of the supply is bundled. And we can also check the bundle map, which basically gives you the same information but in a visual form. And you can see that this meme coin was heavily bundled. 37.43% of the supply was bundled initially, and now they are holding 4.78% because they're already sold. And now, as you can see, this meme coin reached the bonding curve, and now we can choose to snipe this token. Just click on Snipe Now, and you got a migration sniper window. And here you can either snipe sell the supply or snipe buy. And if you found a good meme coin, which is a verified project, and it actually got to migration instantly, you can snipe buy the token if you believe it's going to go way higher. Here you just specify the amount of SOL you want to spend, and below are your gas settings. And keep in mind, if you are actually sniping the migration, you have to pay premium for the transaction to execute because people will start trading the meme coin immediately as soon as it's tradable on Radium. When I did some testing during the weekend, I noticed that the default settings are actually enough for most meme coins. However, if you are trading with smaller amount of money, you could notice that those fees are actually quite high for you. So maybe using the sniper isn't for you if you are trading with small amounts like $10 per trade. And obviously you can also snipe sell the token on migration because sometimes you buy the token, it goes through bonding curve and you notice that it's just under scam token and you want to sell it as soon as possible to minimize your losses or actually make some profit on it. So this is the same story with snipe buy. You just specify the amount of supply you want to sell. You could leave this gas settings as it is and just snipe sell, and once it gets reset on Radium, you will sell your position immediately. And as you can see, this meme coin, on the other hand, went immediately to 100k, dropped to 70, and now it's going up. So if you were to snipe sell the migration, your order might be filled actually in around 100k area and you would make some extra profit. And as you can see on the right, there are a lot of orders, and if you want to see only the orders that will impact the price the most, like $100, $500, etc., you can filter them by the total USD value. You can, for example, search for only $100 buys and sells because those will impact the price the most at the current market cap. And if there are a lot of people actually buying the token, you can expect that the price will increase. But in this case, there are a lot of sells for multiple SOL, so maybe this project is done for. But as you can see, we saw a lot of sells, and now big buys are coming in again, and it went from 67k back to 126k, so it could give you nice 80% gain in just 9 seconds. So it's actually very good to keep a lookout on the order book and search for larger buys, because if somebody is buying 0.01 Solana, it won't impact the price that much, and it only creates additional noise, which will prevent you from judging if this coin is going to increase in price or actually go to zero. So that would be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you want a full tutorial on how to find and track profitable wallets inside of BullX Neo, make sure to click the video that's on your screen right now. And if you want to get access to all of the wallets I'm personally tracking, head down to the description and join my Telegram channel.